In this video, I'd like to share with you guys the first 10 steps you can take to drastically improve and enhance your experience on your Note 10 Plus. So let's get it started. So the first thing to do is I always change my home screen settings. So we are going to go to here and we are going to change the home screen grid. So I will change it to 5x5. So what this is going to do is decrease the size of the icons, so therefore it's going to allow you to put more on your screen. So the next thing you want to change is when you scroll down on your phone, it will open the apps tray, and when you scroll up it will do the same thing. So we want to change it when we scroll down, and to do this we go to home screen and we are going to want to click swipe down for notification panel, and so this allows you to scroll down for the notification panel, which is really better because you are essentially reducing duplication as you already can access your apps when swiping up. The next thing we are going to do is turn on the night mode. So on your phone, go to your settings, display, and we are going to want to turn on night mode. As you can see, it's looking so much better with the black and white contrast. By default, the out of the box settings, you get an icon that shows your battery life. However, you can get the exact percentage number, and to do this you can go to settings, under notifications, click status bar, and you can show battery percentage. Now you can see the exact number on your status bar, which means you can track exactly how much battery life you got left. So there's a feature from out of the box that's not enabled on your Note 10 Plus, and this is called Dolby Atmos, and so it will make your sounds sound amazing. See what I did there? So to enable this, scroll down on your quick panel, scroll down again, scroll right, and then you should see Dolby Atmos, and then just turn it on by tapping on it. And from what you can see, there's even more settings depending on if you want to enhance your gaming audio or whilst playing music, as you can see on the screen now. But I would just recommend setting it on auto. So the next thing to do is to change the display resolution. By default on your Android One UI, the screen resolution is set to 1080p. But we are going to want to increase the resolution so that we can get a better viewing experience for watching videos on YouTube and watching movies and playing games. So we are going to set it to WQHD Plus and click apply. So the next thing you want to change is your lock screen and your always on display. So let's see what it looks like. By default, this is what your always on display looks like, and this is what the lock screen looks like, and you can change the settings for the clock. So let's do that now. So to do this, we're going to go to settings, under lock screen. You can change the clock styles. So first things first, let's change the always on display. And for me, I like to change the always on display to show in the center. It just looks much more aligned and aesthetically pleasing. And you've got different options, as you can see. But for me, I like to stick to a normal looking one in the center. And then we also can change the lock screen one as well. This one, and we can change the color of the clock faces as well. So you can see it's a pain that you can't see exactly what notifications you got, only by the icons. So we can change this as well. So the next thing we want to do is the same thing whilst on the lock screen. So similar again, on settings, lock screen, and we can click notifications, and you can change your style. I prefer it to be brief. So when we do this, we should be able to see more details and information for our lock screen. So that looks much better now. So this year, Samsung's removed the power button on our Note 10 Plus 5G, And so now the only way you can turn off your phone is through the quick panel option. However, you can also program the Bixby button, which is also known as the side key. So in order to do this, you just have to go through these options right here. Settings, and under advanced features, side key, and we are going to change it to power off menu. So whenever you hold the button, it's now going to show options to power off, restart your phone. So next thing you want to do is enable reduce animation. So this will actually help with when you transition to different apps on your phone. So it just makes your phone feel much quicker, and I always enable this whenever I get a new phone. So to enable it, we go to settings, then it should be under advanced features, and then there should be a heading that says reduce animation, and we just enable it, and there we go. Last but not least, you're most likely wondering where I got the wallpaper from for the Note 10 Plus 5G, and there's an app which I use which is called Wally, and you can download this app from the Google Play Store, and we are going to go to the most popular section for the wallpapers, and from here you can just have to scroll down, and then you eventually find the one which I've set for my home screen, and all you have to do is just click on it, download it, and then you can set it as your wallpaper for your lock screen or your home screen or both. I hope this video has helped you enhance your Note 10, 10 Plus, 10 Plus with 5G, and if it has, like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks.